I'm going to wake up at 6:30 and I'll get up out of bed. I'll have a shower and I'm going to think of the day ahead. Then I'll make my breakfast, it'll be toast and tea. When I'll leave home, it's gonna be 7:30. I'll catch the bus to work, or I'll go by car. I'd ride my bike, but it'd be a little too far. I'm gonna get to work at 8:30. I'll have lunch from 1 till 2. I'm gonna leave work at 6 in the evening. There'll be a lot to do. When I'll get home, I'm gonna read the newspaper and I'll watch TV. At 7:15 I'll have my dinner. I'll be very hungry. After dinner I'm gonna walk the dog. We'll go to the park. I'll let it off its lead and it'll run around in the dark. When I get home, I'll watch more TV and then I'll listen to some music on the stereo. Then I'll probably be sleepy, I'll be sleepy.